Health benefits of apricot kernel oil with source. Benefits: moisturizes the skin, improves hair health, anti-cancer potential, treats acne, improves respiratory health, reduces inflammation. Now foods, solutions, apricot oil review. Description: 100% pure moisturizing oil. Softens fine lines. Moisturizes dry hair. Non-GMO Project Verified. Expeller-Pressed and Hexane-Free. Suggested use: as a body moisturizer, apply a few drops of 100% pure apricot kernel oil to the desired area and gently massage. For dry hair, place a couple drops into palm of your hand and work into hair strands. Other ingredients: Prunus armeniaca, apricot kernel oil. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.